Do you know what could be holding your agency back more than anything else? It's the lack of clear processes and procedures that are well beyond just where to point and click in your management system or a carrier website. That's right. Why don't you think about building your procedures from the standpoint of the customer experience, empowering the team to say who does what? Oh, and also let's get those templates added into your management system or your CRM tool to make sure everything is running. Good processes and procedures should also have scripts, ways to report on them, and clarity of exactly what is not acceptable so that you can drive accountability. So, building up your agency's processes and procedures is slightly overwhelming, right? You start with a blank piece of paper, your head spirals. I get it. That's where APP comes in to help. Watch this whole blog that we have written of how to go ahead and build the best procedure manual for your agency. And if you need help, reach out. We'd love to work with you guys.